Hello Flutes, and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be looking at accidentals or enharmonics, and we're going to be making sure that we can play them in our music. You will be successful when you can correctly identify the accidental in your music and play the correct note that matches it. So let's look at exercise 139, Manhattan Beat Beach March. Look at the key signature to start with. How many flats are there at the start of your music? Good, there are 3 flats. What are they? B flat, E flat, and A flat. Good, so we have to play B flat, E flat, and A flat. Now look at the piece. Are there any accidentals or a sign that tells you that you shouldn't play a note that's in the key signature? Look at the third note. It has a natural sign in front of it. And so that means that you need to play an E natural. Remember, it's that, just like an F, but with one extra finger, which is different to the first 2 notes, because the first 2 notes are E flat, and then you have E natural. E flat, E natural. How about the next bar? How are you going to play those notes? F, E natural, F, G. Good. F, E natural, F, G. Are there any other accidentals in exercise 139? Good. So it's nice and easy. Everything else is exactly as it says. So we have to remember our A flats. That's the most important thing. Let's sing and do the fingers and notes just for the first 4 bars. Ready? And E flat, E natural, F, G, A flat, dot, F, D, B flat. Pause and say that on your own. Now let's play it. Pause and practice that 10 times. Once it's really easy and you're counting the dot and doing the right E naturals, see if you can do it a bit faster. Let's check it now with me. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Pause and practice at that speed another 6 times. Now look at the next 4 bars. This is the theme, and what we just played before was the introduction. So say the notes and do the fingers for the theme. Ready? G dot, E flat, C, 2, E flat, F, G, E flat, C, 2. All right, now do it on your own. Ready? And G dot, E flat, C, 2, E flat, F, G, E flat, C, 2. Pause and practice that. Now play it with me. Ready? 1, 2. Now see if you can do the first 8 bars all together, beginning to there. Pause here. Let's check it with me from the beginning. Ready? And now pause and see if you can play it faster. You may need to practice it more than 10 times to be able to get it faster. Now look at the next 4 bars. Let's do 6. Singing and fingers, next 6 bars. So this is on the second line, E flat. Ready? E flat, F, G, E flat, C, D, E flat, C, F, F, G, F, D, C, B flat, G, dot, E flat, C, 2. And again, let's do it 1 bar at a time now. E flat, F, G, E flat, and again. E flat, F, G, E flat, and again. E flat, F, G, E flat. Next bar. C, D, E flat, C, and again. C, D, E flat, C, and again. C, D, E flat, C. Pause and practice those 2 bars again on your own until it's really easy. Da, 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 da. Now look at the next 2 bars, singing in fingers. F, F, G, F, D, C, B, and again. F, F, G, F, D, C, B, and again. F, F, G, F, D, C, B. Do it on your own. Play it with me. Now see if you can do the same thing for those 6 bars on your own. And now let's go with those 6 bars together with me. 3, 4. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times, minimum 3 more times. Now let's go from the beginning all the way to there. 3, 4. Now see if you can work out the next 6 bars till the first time ending on your own. Pausing here. Let's check them. So this is the whole last line. 3, 4. And then you go play that B flat, and then you go back to the theme and back to the repeat again. Pause and practice each section as much as you need to until it feels really, really easy and you can play it a bit faster. Now let's go from the beginning together with smart music. Practice that at least 3 more times and send me some smart music assignments. Now look at exercise 143. Check out the key signature. How many sharps and flats are there at the beginning of your music? And what about the accidentals? How many other little symbols are telling you that you need to play a different note to what's in the key signature? All right, so key signature, just B flat. That means all E's are natural and all A's are natural unless it says otherwise. Now, do you ever have to play an E flat? Yes, good. Where are they? In the second line. And how many are there? 2 E flats. How many E naturals do you have to play? Find them all. They're all in the second line. So how many of these do you have to play? 3. Now how many A flats do you have to play? Remember, it's only an A flat if it tells you that it's an A flat. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A flats. Now count the A naturals. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 A naturals. Remind yourself which E is E flat and which E is E natural. And do the same thing with A flat and A natural. So remember, A flat is all of them and A natural is just these two. So A flat and A natural. Now see if you can work out each bar one at a time in exercise 143 like we just did with exercise 139. Once you've worked out each bar, join them together in 2-bar chunks. You'll probably have to practice each bar and each 2 bars many times. Do it really slowly. So the first bar should be just like this. F dot A flat A natural C, and again F dot A flat A natural C, and it will sound like this. Remember to count the dot and practice it that slowly until it's really easy. Every single bar that's like that. And now look at the next bar. F dot A natural C, B flat, A natural. Sounds pretty cool, but it'll be a little bit tricky, so you have to make sure you practice it really slowly and really deliberately. Once you've got those 1-bar chunks really good, then you can join them together like this. So pause and practice all of those things, 1 bar at a time, 2 bars at a time. Now that you've practiced 1 bar at a time and 2 bars at a time, try doing 3 bars at a time. Pause now. Now try doing 4 bars at a time. Let's check the first 4 bars together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and practice that as much as you need to. It may take more than 20 goes. You'll stop counting after that. Now look at the next line. Do exactly the same thing as the first line and see if you can join it together. Once you're ready, then unpause and play it with me. Ready? 3, 4. Make sure that your notes matched mine and that you played the right E naturals and the right A naturals. Once you've done it, see if you can send it to me in a Smart Music assignment. Let me know how you went in today's lesson and give yourself a score out of 10 on how successful you feel with reading and playing the correct notes for your accidentals, E naturals and A naturals. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.